back to my channel. My name is Madison. If you're new here, please do not forget to check out my last couple videos. As you can tell by the title down below, today's video is going to be a room tour, a dorm room tour, and you guys will get to see, I guess, how I decorated it and all that. I'm trying to keep this intro short, so please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to comment your suggestions, whether you want more college videos or more videos specifically towards Georgia State or the Success Academy that I took this summer. And yeah, let's hop into the video. Alright, so here is the lobby. As you can see, they have a giant table in the center and then like 4 or 5 sitting chairs. And this is where the lobby where you get off your elevators at, and they have a directory of all the floors right there. And then you go to your left and they have 2 microwaves. They do not have any stoves, but they do have 1 sink and a television. And on your right they always have the laundry room, and once you go in it has 3 dryers and 3 washers, which are completely free. And on the right they have a little washroom where you can just wash things there. And yeah, now I'm gonna head into the end of the hall, which has the chat room. And each floor has a chat room, but they also have movie rooms and study rooms as well. And now we're gonna head into the room. So basically the keys that you need for your room are automatic, but since I'm already in, I already like turned some of the things on. But here's the shower, and it automatically comes with a like cloth shower curtain or whatever, but I definitely recommend getting a clear one so water doesn't get on the floor, because when my roommates came for this summer we had water everywhere. So I recommend getting a clear shower curtain to keep the water inside the shower, and getting a shower rug or carpet or whatever. And yeah, it's like, okay, the light is automatic, like normally when you walk in it automatically comes on, which is really cool. And the same thing with the shower. I'll go back to the sinks later. Yeah, when you automatically come in, the light should come on. Just comes with everything. Standard bathroom. And then this is what the sinks look like. They come with these 4 extra things, but like nobody uses this, to be honest, because I guess everyone wants to keep their things private, make sure nobody uses their things, so nobody really uses this in my dorm. But I guess if you want to, you got 4 extra drawers to use, put your stuff in, and then like a double sink. And there's little hooks behind the door, and they have fire alarms, which are very, very sensitive, because this summer we had at least the fire alarm go off at least like 6 or 7 times, or probably more, because even this one is super sensitive. Because one time my roommate was flat ironing her hair and the fire alarm went off and everybody had to evacuate. So just be really cautious of the fire alarm, which is right there, and there's one in every room. And then the thermostat's right here, which is really cool. And yeah, room A is on the left and room B is on the right. So I'm mainly gonna show my side because my roommate, we're currently packing up and getting everything out now. So I'm just gonna work from left to right while the sun's still out before I get all my stuff out. And my stuff is messy because we're moving out. But basically this is what the closet looks like. I feel like it's fairly big for all the crap that I brought, but well, besides my clothes. I definitely recommend bringing a hanging mirror. And all my clothes are color coded, but as you know, like I'm moving out like today, so I'm getting all my stuff. But it has an upper shelf where you can put things. I also brought my dirty clothes hamper in this giant box where I keep like water, shoes, extra bags. And it also comes with like an extra shelf. And then this is the 2nd and 3rd shelf I was talking about. So at the bottom, see if I can move all my crap. Okay. Okay, I tried my best, but like you get an extra shelf, and I have like an extra makeup box, and I kept all my snacks here. Let me see if I can. Okay, I tried my best to move everything, but it literally did nothing. But yeah, this extra shelf, I kept my extra makeup box and like some silverware and like some snacks that I've been eating randomly throughout the day. And then it comes with also like a 3rd shelf at the bottom, which I thought was really convenient. So I just have like an extra duffel bag, so if I want to travel or anything. And then I also have like more snacks there. So that's that. Then my side of the room, which I feel like I decorated pretty decently. I have a calendar, which I had yet to keep up with. My roommate put her birthday on there. And then I have this picture. I got both of these prints from Wish. And this one says, I never read, I just look at pictures. Andy Warhol. I don't know if that's the actual quote, but it looks nice because it's true for me. I actually made this picture in the middle from just different cutouts in magazines, and then just put it all together. And I really wanted a green, earthy, natural theme, so I have that. I got this bed set from Target, and it came with the softest, or like, I didn't think I would use it since it's the summer, but my room, like my suite basement, always keep this dorm super cold, so it's definitely needed. And then I just have a tan, I don't know what type of pillow you call this, but I thrifted this, and it's like super freaking tough. Like, it really supports your back, which I really liked. And then there's got a white fuzzy pillow. I thrifted a yellow pillow I think I got from Home Goods, and then another gray pillow that I thrifted, which actually matches perfectly with this door right here, which I really liked. And then moving over to the other side, we have the vent. So I'm so freaking cold because I have a vent right by my bed. But I have this Babe sign I stuck up from Urban Outfitters. I think it was like $15. I had no clue. It was a while ago. And then I got this painting from the thrift store, like literally the day before I moved in. Let me see. I feel like my desk is kind of cluttered, but I don't know. I feel like I'll get rid of stuff for the fall. But yeah, I got this painting from the thrift store. And then I have my magazines on my desk because I didn't really use my desk too much. I work on my bed pretty often. Only reason I use my desk is mainly for like makeup, and because the view is really pretty. I'm on the 10th floor. This is the view from the 10th floor, and you get the perfect lighting in the morning. So yeah, I have my magazines here. I have my pencils, paint brushes, and this little, let me move this out the way. This little thing, which keeps on like my jewelry, which is really pretty. I got this really nice rock. And then I also brought, I think it's really good if you have a roommate to bring a lamp, so you don't have to, we never, in my room, since we had natural lighting from, at night, this light comes on by itself. So you don't really need a big light above on, because it looks kind of, makes you feel like you're in the jail and the lighting. I don't know, I just think it's really bad. I really like natural lighting. So it's really good to have a lamp so you don't disturb your roommate with the light, or if you stay up late. And also if you don't want to get a big lamp like this, I got this lightning bolt light from 5 and Below. Let me see if I can turn it on. Like the batteries keep falling out, whatever. But I got it from 5 and Below, and it's actually really nice. So I feel like it does the same amount of work as a lamp would do. It's a little lower, but it won't illuminate the entire room like this one would, but it's still really nice for only like $5. And then I don't know if I should go into the knickknacks of everything at the side right here, but I have my perfume in the back. I don't know if you guys can see this. I think I'm probably gonna have to, I'm moving stuff out anyway, so I'm just gonna move stuff around, but you kind of see how it looks before I moved everything around. I'm kind of like going really fast, I'm sorry, but like, yeah. Okay, here's some good lighting for it. All right, so this is my photo booth pictures from Urban Outfitters with me and my sister, and the other ones in the back are like my friends and family. I got this glass, this I think candle holder, and it looks kind of smoky. I was going to use it for like makeup brushes, but just never did, because I just put it in my makeup bag. I just have thumbtacks right here, an M Snow Globe my sister got me, and then a fresh face stuff that you, sample things that you get for your birthday at Sephora that I never actually use. And then I have my perfume, a fake plant, and then this right here, this container, it just has like Q-tips, the little non-stick hangers, and cotton swabs, and just keep it like that. Put that back there. And then I just have my mirror for makeup, really good lighting, you know. And then I also had this. I was going to put a picture in this, but I never got a chance to. But look how pretty this is. Like, I just get distracted with this so easily. And then I just got water right here. Water bottles. Let me place this somewhere. Water bottles. And then I have my backpack. And then some Sweet Hut, of course. Okay, and now to underneath my bed. I know I said it's going right from left, but I completely forgot about the bottom half. So they give you, for Piedmont Central, I don't know if it's for any other dorms, they give you 2 things for storage. You get a dresser and you get this little cubby thing. So right here, I definitely recommend bringing little trays. This one, I keep all my skincare and like all like my washes and the toothbrush and all that stuff, Vanity Planet. Then I have my shower cleaner. And then I have my shower gels and everything on the side. And then in here I have my cleaning supplies. And you can just get like little buckets like this from, I got this one from the dollar store a while ago. And then I got this one from like Five and Below. But I just have cleaning supplies in here like this. And I'm gonna put this back. And then for the bottom one, I have like my little I got this little bucket thing, which I thought was really pretty, from IKEA. And it holds like my brushes and like my makeup, lotion, hair gel. And it's kind of messy, as you see. I'm cleaning up. Like I have a random water bottle. I used to always keep this in my backpack. I recommend always bringing a portable water bottle, especially for me since it's summer. But you can also go to the dining hall and fill them up whenever you want, with whatever you want. And then some more cocoa butter, which belongs in here. And then like I have, it's a mess down here. I didn't even touch this stuff during the summer because I have braids in right now. But I have my natural hair products and like a white tooth comb and like all my scarves and bonnets and stuff like that. So I have that under here. And let me just move that back. And I didn't think I would have a lot of space, so I bought this giant thing from IKEA. I think it was like $30, but I really recommend it. You just pull it out like this. It has 3 levels. And I keep like my papers, my extra notebooks, printer paper, ink. And this, I got a hat on here. I literally just throw random things on here. I have a Arizona drink. Like, I'm a mess right now, guys. Like, I'm trying to hurry up and do this before my mom comes to help me get rid of all this stuff. And I brought Tupperware, but I didn't use it this summer. Hopefully I'll use it through the fall. I don't know what the rules are with bringing food back to your room, but like I don't think they can really stop you. Like people brought ice cream and stuff back to their room, so I feel like you'll be fine if you bring some Tupperware. And I have some seal away bags. This for snacks also, if I want to take them with me, but I haven't used them yet. I recommend getting hand soap. I was the only one who bought it for the summer because my mom made me. I did not think about getting hand soap, but my mom made me get some, and thankfully I was the only one who remembered, so we had hand soap. So I definitely recommend getting hand soap. I don't know why, it just never occurred to me that we needed it. And I have my little the Wi-Fi thing, because for Piedmont Central you get free Wi-Fi. So, and you can add as many, I think up to like 8 devices, like to laptops, computers, phones, TVs, or whatever. So you're gonna need your IP address and all that just to connect it. So I have that written down so I won't forget it, because I had to reset my Wi-Fi a little while ago. I have chargers, folders, my printer information, tissues, other cleaning supplies, hand sanitizer. This is supposed to fit my magazines, but it's way too small. I thought it would be bigger than that. I got it from IKEA. So if anybody's looking for like a magazine holder and going to Piedmont Central in the fall, hit me up. I'll literally just hand it to you. And then, yeah, like I said, the folders, papers, computer paper, and all that, printer ink, and then this extra little thing I gotta throw away. And then underneath, I have 2 boxes, like 2 cubes, like this. And this just keeps my extra trash bags. And in there, I just have like makeup and then like underwear and stuff like that. And then in the drawer, okay, this is the last thing, but in my drawer, I have my jeans and everything like that. I don't have that many clothes. I don't feel like, my mom and my sister would disagree with me, but I don't feel like I have that many clothes, so I was able to fit a lot of things in here, like pajama pants, shorts, and all that stuff in here. And then this is like shorts, pants, but I also kept a lot of knick-knack things in here, like makeup palettes, extra paper, what do you call that? What do you call it? Paint. I don't know why it took me so long to say paint. yeah, like paint and I just put extra stuff in this drawer because I don't really have that many. And extra towels. And then the last one, I kept. Oh, okay, second. These towels fit in there earlier. I don't know why it's acting like I have so much stuff now, but towels kept in the bottom. Again, I'm moving, so I just washed these last night and threw them in here because it was like 4 a.m. But like I would definitely like fold these, and these were folded before I got here. And I also recommend getting a printer. It kind of becomes a hassle after a while to going to the library and printing your papers. During the summer, I go to the library to type my papers, but like printing it, I don't know, I kind of tend to do all my printing at like 1 a.m. and that's when the library isn't open. So I recommend getting a printer for your own convenience, and you won't have to add a bunch of money into like your account for all that stuff.
Feedback simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
Yep. I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.